Hello everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today I'm making this video on the topic of productivity, especially as a flat rate technician. So the tip I got for you guys is to mind your own business. And what I mean by that is not get involved with everything in the shop. So it was one of the hardest lessons I ever learned, was to stay out of everybody's business in the shop and just focus on the job that you're working on, and just kind of stay in your own little zone and just work, and not pay attention to everybody else's. So what happens is, we pay attention to everybody else, they start coming to you all the time. Like, instead of them doing the job themselves and trying to figure something out themselves, they come to you. Hey Brian, how do you do this? Hey Brian, do you have the tool for this? Hey Brian, can you do this? Can you do that? Before you know it, they're pulling you away from the work that you're doing, and you're doing their work for them and not doing your work. And so I learned the tip. Somebody gave me the tip to mind your own business, stop being the town mayor of the shop and being involved in everything. And as soon as I cut that out, my productivity went up 2 or 3 hours in a week, because I could spend 10 minutes here, 5 minutes there, actual physical time, about an hour or more worth of my time not working on the vehicles that I'm working on. And then if you run flat rate, an hour, physical hour of time could mean 2 or 3 hours of flat rate time. So you can imagine, by saving an extra hour every week, your pay will go up 1 or 2 hours, and that's anywhere from between $50 and $100 just by minding your own business. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I hope this tip is helpful for you guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.